Hello everyone, Lang Yang says Silicone matters. Today I will introduce you this 100-ton silicone hydraulic machine. They have assembled it, now put it in the debugging area. This machine is suitable for various silicone products. For example, electronic protective covers, car key cases, trademark logo, swimming caps, gloves, watch straps, zipper pulls, and many other small items. All silicone thermoform products. And this machine is equipped with a vacuum. You can still come out a little bit. Yes, let's work together. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's really heavy. Let's make it again. You can see this is genuine machinery, 100-ton hydraulic vulcanizing machine. We also provide a complete set of equipment for silicone material products, including production line equipment. Following Lang Yang, Genuine provides you with silicone products production solutions.